Hey guys, today's video is going to be a haul. I have some things to show you guys. Don't mind my hair, it's like freaking crazy today. First thing is this Disney sweatshirt. This is a size 2XL. It's got Mickey on it and it says New York City. Mickey's like made out of like a carpet material. This is super cute. It is pink Victoria's Secret. It says size medium to large. I would say it fits more like a large. This, like, how cute is this friggin' jacket? Adorable. So it's got like Sherpa material everywhere except the sleeves, like on the inside. Yeah, this jacket, like you can see in the hood and like on the inside, but the sleeves aren't Sherpa. But this jacket seriously is so adorable and it's in excellent condition, and I'm not selling this for cheap. Found this Adidas hoodie. This is a size small. Probably a men's small though. I would say it fits bigger. Looks like that. Vans hoodie. This is a men's size small, so women's medium. I like the color of this. It says Vans, and on the back it says California Vans. That's one of my goals. I didn't tell you guys this in my goals video, but that's one of my goals for 2022 is to pick up more men's stuff. Harley Davidson shirt. This says this is a size extra large, and it's Harley Davidson Burt's Black Widow Port Charlotte. I just said Charlotte. Charlotte, Port Charlotte, Florida. Looks like this, and the top is like kind of, I don't know, I don't think, yeah, no, this is how it's made. Somebody didn't like cut it. Yeah, it's like, I can show you, purple on the front, and there's the back. This says extra large. I would say it's more like an extra large. Found this Gymshark. I can't talk, guys. I really think like I have weird side effects from COVID. Gymshark bra. This is a size large. The back is so cute. So cute. I forgot what this is called. I forgot. It does have padding. Like, this is like in excellent condition. I don't know if it's ever been worn. I like the color. I forgot what this is called, but super cute. Some Lulus, some Wonder Unders. These are a size 4 or 6, I believe. 6. Cute. Cropped. Some AG jeans. These are my favorite jeans ever. These are the Farrah skinny ankle jeans. These are a size 27. Hole in the knee is too big for my liking. Like, I'll wear like distressed jeans just as long as they're not like super, guys, my hair is really like, what's going on? I'll wear distressed jeans, but nothing like too crazy, you know, a couple holes, but I don't know. I feel like my whole entire knee would just be like bleh, and it's not really my style. But these jeans are really freaking nice. They're my favorite jeans ever. They're super expensive, brand new. They're like $130 brand new, but they're amazing. And did I say the size 27? Found some Carhartt jeans. These are women's relaxed fit, size 10. They're flannel lined. I'll show you, where's the flannel. Carhartt. These are in excellent condition. Usually, most of the time when I find Carhartt, there's like paint stains on it or dirt stains, because Carhartt's like really good like workwear, but there goes my phone. These are in excellent condition. I'm trying to start sourcing for spring and summer, even though it's still like friggin' winter here, but yeah. That's my goal for my next sourcing trip, is to try to find like spring and summer stuff. Found this Jordan Jumpman jersey, size large. It's men's. It's really nice. It's like a baseball jersey type thing with a 23 on the back. Excellent condition. Nolan's outside my door. Some pink Victoria's Secret bling. This is a size medium. Guys, the bling sells. The bling sells. It sells. This is the front with the doggy bling and the logos on the sleeve. All right, we've got some Pilcro and the letterpress jeans. I said I'm going to be more careful about like picking out brands. Ooh, that's a video I'm going to make after this, like overrated and underrated brands. I'm going to do that after this video. Yeah, I said I'm going to be more careful about the brands that I pick up. This is a newer Pilcro tag because it says by Anthropologie on it. These are the high-rise denim leggings, size 27. I don't know, they're excellent condition. The zipper's on the side. So, yeah, I just decided to get them. So we got a North Face jacket. This is a size medium. I don't know what these jackets are called. They should be called like friggin' super soft blanket jackets. I don't know. I have a couple of these. I have a really pretty mauve color one. Ooh, guys, I have so many jackets and hoodies. I was talking to my husband about that the other day. He's like, you don't need any more sweatshirts or hoodies. I'm like, I like them. I like to have options, okay? I do. But I really do have a lot of hoodies and jackets. Like a lot. Anyway, this is what this one looks like. Super cute. All right, some Can jeans. I feel like I sell my Can jeans pretty quickly. It's a brand, I think it's sold at Nordstrom. It retails for a little bit. Resale isn't too much. They do sell quickly for me. These are a size 11 or 29. They're just distressed jeans. And they've got these cute little things on the ankle. All right, I found this Simpsons t-shirt. This is a size medium. It's just tie-dye with Lisa on it. I don't know. I thought it was cute. It's not like vintage or anything, I don't think. I mean, it's not, it's double stitched and the tag is like printed on. So yeah, I don't think it's vintage, but I don't know. I think it's cool. I found this men's spider hoodie. On this hoodie, it's a size medium, excellent condition. Found some Levi's. These are the 524 skinny jeans. I picked them up because they're a bigger size. They're a size 30 and they're in excellent condition. I found these Ralph Lauren pants. These are confusing me. It's a black label. I thought black label was good. The size says B, and I think from my research, B means medium, like A, or no. B means small. A is extra small, B means small. I don't know. If anyone knows, help me out, but that's the tag. And these aren't girls, I don't think. They're way too long to be girls, because I was like, oh, maybe they're girls, but no. These are way too long to be girls, I think. I don't know, but these are like leggings. They're like a base layer. I don't know what they are, okay? I wish there was a style number, but there isn't. I don't know, okay? I don't know. These were super cheap and I picked them up and they're really soft too. More jeans. These are American Eagle Next Level Stretch Curvy High Rise Jegging Jeans in a size 12. My American Eagle jeans in bigger sizes sells so quickly. These are gonna sell so quickly. These are just really nice jeans. There's no distressing. They're like in excellent condition. High rise, curvy high rise. That's what they look like. I think I'm gonna do a part 2. But this is the last thing I'm gonna show you in this video. These are a pair of Lulus and they are a size 10. They are a collaboration with Central Saint Martins or Martins. It's a French fashion school. French? No. Is it French? I don't know where it's based out of. I was falling asleep last night, like trying to list things, and I'm like briefly doing research, and it said prestigious fashion school, and I don't know. I think it was in London. Actually, I think it was London. I don't know, but this is their like collaboration with them. The comps that I found were over $100. So yeah, these are really pretty though. Like I love the colors, and they're in excellent condition. They're the NuLuxe. I'm showing you guys the back, by the way. They're the NuLuxe. Material, so it's like super thin, like it feels like you're wearing nothing. Most comfortable leggings ever, and like I said, they're a size 10. Really nice. They are the full length 28 inseam. That's it for this haul. If you see anything in this video that you want to purchase, everything is already listed in my Poshmark closet. That's it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll talk to you guys in my next video.